everyone, I'm Quincy, and today I'm here with
Jonathan.
We're going to show you a recipe that's perfect for kids to make and get them involved in the kitchen.
We'll be making a pecan and rice dish using two Louisiana commodities, pecans and rice.
We'll pair it with some roasted chicken and some strawberry applesauce to make this a balanced meal.
But you can also pair it with fresh Louisiana seafood, beef, or pork as the protein.
So let's get started.
First, let's wash our hands for at least 20 seconds.
To start the recipe, we will cook the wild rice mixture according to the package directions. This one is cooked in the microwave, quick and easy. While the rice is cooking, let's prepare the vegetables to add in. First, wash the vegetables under cool running water.
To make things quicker and easier, you can cut and measure all of your ingredients before you start the cooking. Don't be afraid to ask an adult for help when using a knife. Better safe than sorry.
Then heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat in a large skillet. Add in onions, carrots, bell pepper, salt, and pepper. We'll saute this for about 5 minutes or until everything is softened. Then add peas and red pepper flakes. Give this a stir. The rice is cooked, so we'll pour it into a large bowl. Now add the vegetables to the rice and set aside. Add the chopped pecans to the pan and stir them around until they're brown, about 1 to 2 minutes.
Louisiana pecans aren't just for desserts. This recipe shows that they can be used in savory dishes as well. Now that everything is cooked, add all the ingredients back into the skillet. Then drizzle with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and give it a good mix.
We'll let it cook for a couple more minutes to warm through. You can garnish this with fresh parsley and it's ready to serve. And there you have it.
Easy and kid-friendly pecan wild rice with roasted chicken and strawberry applesauce.
Any leftovers should be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator. The pecan wild rice will keep for 3 days if stored correctly.
The recipes for pecan wild rice can be found online at lsuagcenter.com/buildahealthymeal or in the description box below. Follow us on Pinterest or Instagram for more healthy meal ideas.
So come on, let's build a healthy meal.